Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Zotero messages. Now, the important thing is that once you sign into your Zotero web application, if you've created an account, once you click your profile on the upper right hand side, you have an inbox. You can click on the inbox and it's going to take you over to your messages, right? And this is going to show you all of those messages that you have. Alternatively, there are certain messages that you will receive that you can just easily check your emails, and you will have those Zotero messages coming into your mailbox as well. So very depends on whichever email you have. If you have a Gmail, you can quickly find those in your Gmail. Typical example is that I also have the activation email here from Zotero. And if you're working with other documents or whatever it is that you're receiving in Zotero, you'll also find those start to populate in your mailbox. You'll start to find those start to populate in your mailbox from the start, right? So that's how you can easily check your messages on Zotero, guys. Very easy and very simple.